All right, with 1.05, we start to get into some more complex time signatures, and it talks about what the top number and what the bottom number means. The top number specifically tells you how many beats are in a measure. So just this first section is only looking at the top number. If there's a 4, there's 4 beats. 9, there's 9 beats. 3, there's 3 beats. 2, there's 2 beats. But then it goes into the bottom number, which helps make more sense overall. The bottom number, if there's a 4 on the bottom, it's a quarter note, gets the beat. And if it's 4 over 4, there's 4 quarter notes. The next one, if there's an 8 on the bottom, gets an eighth note as the beat. Top number tells us how many, so you have 3 eighth notes per measure. The 4 over 2 means that the 2 on the bottom gets a half note equals 1 beat, and you have 4 of them. So when you put it all together, you have 3 over 4, 3 quarter notes. 6 over 8, 6 eighth notes. 2 over 2, 2 half notes. How to count out rhythms in any time signature. You obviously want to still count the beat. The first is 1, but you want to look at the time signature. If it's an eighth on the bottom, you want to make sure that you're giving each eighth note is worth 1 beat. The other thing that I want to point out is that a 4/4 time signature does not mean there can only be 4 quarter notes in the measure. It means there's 4 quarter notes worth of music. You could have a whole note, which takes up 4 quarter notes. You could have all eighth notes. So you could have 8 eighth notes in there, which is still equal to 4 quarter notes. You could have 2 half notes and 2 quarter notes, as long as it equals 4 quarter notes. If it's 6 over 8, which there's lots of examples of those, 6 eighth notes, that could be 3 quarter notes. That could be 6 eighth notes. That could be 12 16th notes, whatever they decide to use, but as long as it fills that amount of space with the correct number of beats. There's lots of listening examples for this, so make sure you go through, make sure it makes sense, and then do the assignments for this in week 1. So that's quite a bit of stuff in week 1, but go through it, ask any questions you have, and then we will be getting through week 1.